Welcome to Extreme Matting. In this video, we'll walk you through the safe and proper installation of Extreme HDPE composite mats, from lifting and positioning to securing each connection. Following these steps will ensure your mats perform safely, reliably, and last for years of service. You'll need a T-bar wrench or powered impact tool, a 3/4 inch pry bar, rated lifting equipment, and approved safety gear. When using a forklift or loader, ensure the operator is trained and forks are at least 5 feet long. Always lift one mat at a time. Slide forks fully under before lifting evenly. Carry the mat low for stability. Move slowly, using a spotter for direction and distance. Align the mat so the overlap flange rests over the exposed underlap of the previous mat. Use a pry bar to align holes precisely. Once aligned, drop the bolt connector into the top hole and hand thread it into the metal insert below. Turn clockwise until it catches. Always start by hand to prevent cross-threading. When the bolt is seated properly, tighten it using a T-bar wrench or impact gun. Apply 3 to 4 full clockwise turns until snug. Do not over-tighten, the bolt should sit flush with the surface. Inspect every connection to confirm bolts are flush and mats are fully joined. Properly secured bolts prevent shifting or damage under load. Your Extreme Matting installation is now complete. Always perform a final safety check before allowing equipment traffic. For further guidance or manuals, contact Extreme Matting. Extreme Matting, engineered for performance.